Hey everyone, Charting Man Dan from ChartGuys.com. You know, behind every single video that we put out every single day, there's a wonderful community of traders that we want to invite you to be a part of. Try the free 7-day trial and gain access to our live market broadcasts every morning and afternoon, interact with hundreds of like-minded traders, or take part in one of our dedicated chat rooms, each led by an analyst that's there to answer your questions in real time. Our trial is risk-free with absolutely no commitment or credit card required to experience the TCG community. For those looking for a head start in technical analysis, check out our entries and exits course in the link below in the description. Get up to speed with the fundamentals of TCG technical analysis and experience over 5 hours of great community-driven trading education.
Hey guys, it's James with the Chart Guys. It is Wednesday, April 26th. Going to do my nightly video on gold. So gold did form a bullish reversal candle today. We'll confirm that with a green candle tomorrow. Ideally, bulls want to close above this 20 MA again on a back test here. And in an ideal world, we'd close above the high of today of 1272.80. Definitely would like to break that at least tomorrow on a move up in gold. And we are scouting a gold bounce short term because of the US dollar Japanese yen chart on the 4-hour. If you look at the US dollar Japanese yen 4-hour, when you get an overbought RSI like this, it's generally tended to at least have short-term consolidation here, short-term consolidation here. See it overbought, some short-term consolidation, So for now, it's just a healthy pullback in the US dollar, Japanese yen, 4-hour chart. And you can see that off the bottom, it's forming higher highs, higher high, and higher lows. And on the opposite, the the gold chart on the 4-hour is forming lower highs, high, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, and lower lows. And so for this to be more than a bounce associated because of the overbought US dollar Japanese yen RSI, what we need to do here for the gold bulls is first we need to break above this 20 MA. But the main thing that we're going to look for is a trend change by breaking to a higher high. So that's currently at 1279.90, and until that happens, expect to continue to set higher lows and lower highs and lower lows. So we're going to look at this 1279.90 area, and again, the key really is this 1280 resistance, 10 cents below this price resistance here, and that's that gap fill area that we want to get into for the gold bulls. Gold bulls do have this 4-hour MACD cross happening right now, and with the MACD being that low down here, the 4-hour MACD cross could produce some decent upside here. Based on the past from where it's been this low. Here had a nice move up. Here had some nice moves up. So we'll see how that MACD works out and see how that overbought US dollar Japanese yen chart proves to be. As far as the miners go, same thing as gold. We have on the daily bullish reversal candles, and we need a green day tomorrow to confirm. Otherwise, this is just going to be a fake out. And so the resistance we're going to look at is obviously at the high of today for the senior miners of 22.42. Once again, 22.42 because of all this space here from the low of this candle. There isn't much resistance until the high here of 22.92. There is this converging moving average here on the daily with the 4 EMA and the 100 MA here that are converging, so it could prove to be some resistance there as well. So first resistance we'll look at is the high of today. Did create a nice bounce today, and we did have some nice gains in the chat room by looking at that US dollar Japanese yen overbought chart. As far as the 4-hour chart goes, I'm going to look at these 4-hour charts as well on the miners, because same thing as gold. These senior miners, same thing. You can see it's been setting lows and then consolidating, lower lows, lower high consolidation, lower low, lower high on consolidation. So we really need to break above a higher high on this 4-hour chart as well. It's similar to the gold chart, and that high here is going to be at 23.44. 23.44. We're going to be in that gap fill area for the senior miners. We do have a close to a 4-hour bull MACD, and for GDXJ, same thing. We've really been just dumping, consolidating, and dumping. So we need to form a higher high on this 4-hour chart as well. 4-hour MACD getting close to here, and we want to break above the high here of 3409. And you can see again, same thing as gold chart. There is some more room for the MACD to run down, but if we do get a bull MACD, could have some nice upside. Had some nice upside in the past with these bull MACDs on the 4-hour. So that's something to watch. And again, we need to form a higher high here. Before we do form that higher high, if you want an earlier signal, what you can do on these junior and senior miners is use the TCG bull crosses. Again, TCG bull crosses when the 4 and the 8, 4 crosses above the 8 EMA, green over the red line. And really, I would wait for that TCG bull cross and the price regaining this 20 EMA with these the 4 and 8 EMAs moving above this 20 EMA to enter an early position if you're going to play it before the price resistance break. So have a good night, and I'll see you tomorrow.